so that...
Hey, good afternoon, folks. Wolf Pilot checking in from 5-8 Tango. We're gonna do a thing right here. So, over my left shoulder, we have Chief Executive Rat of HangaRats, and they are working on Kaitlin's Cessna 120.
Hey, what's
Say
up?
hi to the interwebs.
Hey, interwebs. How are you?
They're all probably drinking beer in an air-conditioned room, so...
Oh, must be nice. We're doing it before it gets hot today. It's gonna be what? Haha, 110 this week, right? It's not 110 yet.
So,
oh, good.
The big project today is to put the wings on. All the rest of this crap is all kind of bolted together. Avionics are looking avionic-y, and lights all work, and the PTT button works. And now I do notice that there's a slight deficiency here. There's only one PTT button. That's...
I am the only opinion that matters.
Well, considering you want to fly with other pilots, you know, they like to be able to participate in the flight. So,
After Oshkosh.
But I'm sure you're well aware. You could get a David Clark button and just plug it in right here.
And I have a second one. I just haven't.
Oh, there you go.
Haven't got that far yet. We're going to Oshkosh.
We're going to Oshkosh. Are you going to Oshkosh?
I'm going to Oshkosh.
You're going to Oshkosh. The crowd here continues to grow. I just got done helping Kaitlin. Let me see if I can stick this underneath here. Get a view of this piece right here to keep these two cables separated so they don't interfere with the yoke. And oh yeah. Oh, it's a pain. Okay.
Yeah. You've got two though. So
now, folks, this is an inside, behind the scenes look at the foe fighter and where it's at. And
Taxiing.
it's first taxi.
it's just, I gotta get it right.
We haven't even pulled the engine out. That's coming up in another episode of HangaRats.
Very nice.
Get out, black spot.
And you can watch the colors change from dark
Okay.
green to light green.
Kaitlin, move your plane out. See if you can canoodle around the. Get out however you want to, and then you have a air hose out there. To tie air up the tire.
Well, Menace Occasion viewers, Kaitlin's airplane is leaving the hangar, and it won't come back in here because we're going to put some wings on it. All right, looking clear here. So what's all this talk about a parking lot and a swimming pool?
Well,
you'll see. Her wings are at Brian's hangar.
Okay.
And he put a swimming pool right in front of the hangar, a portable one.
So we have to get the wings.
But there's enough room to get the wings out. There's
Okay. So now the light comes on for the blonde boy.
And then once we get her wings off, we got to put my wings on. So I can make room for her to put this in my hangar.
Yeah.
Okay.
My wings are on the ground.
and then
Okay.
we're going to go fly.
Yes.
Okay, what are you
We're
doing?
going to knock this
Sounds
out.
like there's a lot of lollygagging going on.
I'm putting air in the tires. Yeah.
Come on, you know, Mike Patey would say, let's get back to work.
Mike has a
He also
team.
has people that work for him.
Well, that happens when you're
Zero.
a total philanthropist and
It's probably easier to roll if I had some air in the tires. 15. 25. That's what he said. Nice ballast cover I got. Where did I get that from?
discount tire.
No, that one's like nice metal. Oh, you bastard. Alright, we'll do this one.
Ooh, you're coming up short. I'm not gonna, I'll just let that end right there. Do we have any more hose? Any more hosel?
That's it. Roll the blade to the hose.
That's what I told her. Oh no, I reached down deep and I pulled out another 12 inches. Hey, I'm not gonna say shit.
I don't even want to know.
Well, I just said I reached down deep and pulled out another 12 inches, but...
There you go.
Why is there dust? Well, wait till you get this in my hangar. You'll be dusting it every 2 days.
Well, that went from 0 to 60 real quick.
Well, you have about approximately
volume.
0.1 cubic feet of airspace.
Yes.
Noted.
Yeah.
I don't know. I put 40 in it. How's that sound?
Yeah, I wouldn't think that would take much more.
That's what I keep in my solid tail wheel is 40.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Do you?
Yeah.
Did you have 60 in there for real at some point?
Yeah. 2 seconds ago.
Wow.
It's a little excessive. I put like 30 in my
We're down to 40.
little caster wheels on the front of my lawnmower.
Jesus, all it's holding up is a deck. Unless it's like, what, 180-inch deck or something?
No.
So this is why we need to have a second hose to add to the first hose. And I don't know if that's a possibility or not.
Yeah, there's another hose here, but I don't think you
Well, let's see, there's this. Oh, look what I found. This might just... Hey, Kaitlin, check out this accoutrement.
Oh, would you look at that?
You might be able to stretch it that last little bit.
Hey,
Look what he found.
I just found something that will...
Didn't have to move the plane after all.
It's freaking heavy. It's got stuff in it now.
There we go.
Oh, it's even got a. Here you go.
Oh, that's great.
There's that.
Cool.
Hang on to that for a
And
second.
here's this.
Oh,
and do you
you're
want that on
awesome.
there?
Ew, no.
As he pulls it out and the whole thing goes psss.
Take this home with you. Plan it.
No,
I hate sandburrs.
If you plant that, you're evicted. I hate those things.
Yes. I don't know what to do with it.
25.
Oh, burn pile.
Burn pile.
Burn pile.
The only place it belongs. Alrighty.
All right, we done with that?
Yep. Game over.
All right, let me...
1, 2, 3. I hate those hoses.
I'll take that one.
Want that one?
I got, well, I'll reel that up, make it do something. And do your best double half hitch Boy Scout knot, right, Bill?
No, this is going to be square knot.
Square knot.
You're supposed to probably should use a bowline and stuff like that. Square knot.
Square knot.
Ow!
Mroz, let's go. Burning daylight. You got all your tools backed up?
She's got stickers on her love handles.
That's fine.
Are you ready?
That's a problem.
Yeah, I need a toolbox.
Toolbox. Get the toolbox. Let's go.
I'm hurting myself.
All
Put
this.
some bacon on a biscuit. You know the Cowboys?
What?
Cowboys are John Wayne?
Oh, well, it's John Wayne, of course.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, put some bacon on a biscuit. Let's go. We're burning daylight.
Of course, I was more of a Clint Eastwood guy.
Pulling sand spurs out of my side.
Well, quit laying on the ground sleeping.
It's a 44 Magnum, the most powerful handgun in the world.
Yep.
And for the
You
big
feel
ones?
lucky.
Not for the, I don't know what size.
Do you feel lucky? Well, do you? Punk.
He's still around.
Brian's got a bunch of tools on
I like his other movie, the last one he just did. Got bad reviews, but I liked it.
Alright, what's the
When he
plan?
was
You
in
get in the
Mexico,
airplane,
the old guy.
and let's see. You
Oh.
Take Jay with you.
Okay.
Let's see how tall are you, Jay?
6'2".
Welcome to the world of Cessna 120.
Technically,
On paper,
Here, I'll even put the lean on it for you. There you go.
Jesus, I think I kind of might have gotten ahead of myself here.
There you go.
You want me to actually get in? Is not.
Go for it.
This is an airplane, not a float in a parade,
So
right?
you've got a handhold up there where the key is.
Well,
I should not have painted that green. Hey, next time we don't paint the handhold hot green.
thank God my ass is narrow, but my legs are fucking ridiculously long.
It takes a second. Hold up. Oh, pictures of what? Ow! No!
So we're gonna do.
Ow! Haley will get pictures.
Got.
Can't go wrong. What up, dude?
Look at this. We're 2 peas in a pod, you and I, and
It's a pod.
this is cozy.
It is.
This is very, very cozy, folks. So,
Here, I won't even smash it. Can you see that? You can see it up front.
yeah, I can see what the fun. I can fly this airplane.
Yeah. And this is in full recline. It comes with adjustable seats.
So,
If you look behind my shoulder area, you can see that.
kneecap hits the primer in the.
So when tall guys would fly this, there's 4 peg positions on the bottom of the pivot, and you got 4 up here.
What's that? Ready?
It's
It's ready, ready to go. You break it, you bought it.
Okay. On it. Huh?
maybe figure it out.
Got wires and shit hanging over all these people. This is
It'll be
insane.
fine. This can't go wrong. Just go slow. I'm so scared.
I just don't know what could go wrong here.
Oh, we could fall over. Oh, fuck. Oh, that is an uncomfortable feeling. Should we wear seatbelts?
You haven't installed them yet.
Yes, I have.
Oh shit! Oh, those are harness.
Yeah.
Oh, guess
if we
damn
do
it, there.
fall though, like just keep your insides inside.
So, got wings. Oh, aviation doggos. Oh, look at you. You are just a cute. You good girls. You good girls. You look kind of like a wolf. You like a little mini wolf or something? A pocket wolf? You look kind of like a German Shepherd that hit a shrink ray. Is that what happened to you? Huh? Yeah, that's what happened. German Shepherd hit a shrink ray. That's what happened. You need to stay out of your master's lab. That's when he's working the shrink ray. Yeah. That's what you do. I love. See, on YouTube, I'm the wolf pilot. There's a reason why I'm the wolf pilot, because I'm all about wolves and wolf dogs and all that stuff.
Well, mine kind of looks like that. He's like a 110-pound German Shepherd.
Wow, chunky. Got plenty of screwdrivers.
Of course,
I probably
the official tool of wing assembly. 3, 4, I think you said there was 5. 5. All the official tools are accounted for.
Nice.
So you have experience. You did the last one. I've never done this before.
It's not the right size bolt, but it's not going to fall out.
Nah.
And then once we get all of them, screwdriver in all of them,
Yeah.
okay, you're going to get the front spar.
You got so many people, you can
You'll
just
get the
hold the
rear
wings
spar.
and
You'll
put
get
the
the rear
bolts
spar
in.
bolt.
Exactly.
Why not just put the bolts in? I
You'll
mean,
get a lift strut,
We'll swap them.
and then you'll get a lift strut bolt.
Okay.
Okay, so what we're going to do is we're just going to walk it over, and we put these two up here. Okay, and I believe this goes under here.
Yeah, it does.
I think so, yeah.
Yeah, so it's gonna, we're going to kind of come in, maybe with the wingtip down a little bit. We're going to come in, and then...
Eventually.
Jump, fly.
Fly?
Let's try this.
Smokes your
Okay, pick that end up. Let's see if
Oh, I can still do it. I can bring it.
Oh, that's true. Drag it out here.
I think you need to go on the back eyelet.
To encourage it.
pull it out.
You got your mark right there too.
Fireworks.
I got plans.
We'll be fine. We'll get the front one.
Should make it.
Jiggle left and right and push.
Jiggle jiggle.
Which way?
Push to the plane.
There's a dirt.
No, it's a dearth of rivet bucktails. Okay, let's pull it off. Jiggle it up and down and pull it out.
Earth means something there.
So hitting on that rivet.
Like this one right there. So let me just flatten it. What's it say?
Oh my god. Don't worry about it.
Example only, not for flight.
Okay, jiggle.
All right.
Jiggle, 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 jiggle. Lift them up, and jiggle.
We need to come down. The hole is too high. Getting close. Oh, there we go. I'm in.
Screwdriver in? Good.
Screwdriver is in.
Okay.
Good enough.
Who's got the other screwdrivers?
Strut.
You're not going to get one in that back one, I don't think.
What is it not?
It should fit. Oh, just a minute. Well, get one in the front. That matters.
That will bear weight.
That's all we really have to do.
There. Done screws.
All right.
Okay.
Matter. It's for appearances only.
Here we go. This'll work.
Oh, just throw the bolt in.
That'll work too.
No, that boat. Oh no, those are big ends.
Yeah, these are big.
Lift that wing up a little bit. Up. Down a little bit. Up a little bit. What the hell? Freaking metal wings.
High fabric.
Freaking metal, right?
I got a welder.
Okay, let's take the front one out. Front one out? Yeah. Okay, down. There you go. Okay, now I guess that one. You're done.
Okay, we're good.
You have steel pins and everything.
All right. Good deal.
Okay,
All
now,
right.
Kate, get the other lift strut and fit it before we get the wing out here.
That is a great idea.
Here's a bolt. Put that in one of them.
No. It's all you.
Going anywhere.
Kaitlin, work. Round file. Okay. Okay. See, look at the hole on the bottom of the other hole, on the bottom of the other deal, on the bottom side.
Yeah.
Okay. There's a recess on either side of the bulkhead. Okay, on the front side of the bulkhead and the rear side, there's a little divot. Okay. So that's what you need to do. Got it? Got it in your head?
So I'm just getting rid of the outer plate. Okay.
What are you, crazy?
Yeah, I'm a camel. Gotta learn to flatten
So
that
just
down.
check these out.
Get it in the front there.
All right. Here we go. Oh, that's a nice cold GoPro on my head.
Oh, sweet.
Put it in the freezer.
The only problem I've had is you just gotta, first 5 minutes you gotta get the dew off of it.
I wasn't in there long enough, I don't think, but there's a reason why Ron Parr has gone to the DJI Osmo action.
this?
What's that?
Put some crawl on this first, or you think?
I think these will be okay.
All right, so,
Careful.
all right, since you guys are in the back, you guys get strut. So here's one strut, here's the other strut.
You have to put a bolt in that strut. In that last strut.
Okay, now Jay, what you're gonna have to do is, or Kate, you wanna hold this up?
All right, so,
Make sure the windshield doesn't get the wrong.
We want the wingtip down a little bit.
so this has to go,
Hang on,
this goes kind of, okay.
it is dirt.
I think I'm lined up.
Wingtip forward.
Okay. Oh, stop. Pull back. We've got a metal misalignment over here. Go out. Oh, there we go. All right, let's try this again. All right, in slowly. All right, I think we're good this time.
Bring it. Okay, hang on a second.
Everybody have screwdrivers?
Wingtip forward. And jiggle.
Oh, shoot. I came out.
There we go.
Hold on.
I think the wing just needs to go up.
Okay, just jiggle and go forward.
I don't think we're going to clear the skin on the roof.
The rear spar just needs to go in.
Yeah, rear spars line up, got good approach, clear for landing.
I don't have clearance on the roof skin.
So I said I think the wing needs to go up.
Here, push in. I'm going to push down up here. Towards the fuselage. Oh, nope. There we go.
All right. Shoot. Hang on. All right. Cool. All right, we're good on this end.
Push in.
And
There you go.
I think we're clear. We can just get.
Come down a little bit, Tony, and then jiggle.
Oh, cool. Bill, we've got hole back here. The screwdriver's behind you on the seat.
Pin it.
All right, screwdriver.
Once he gets that, then you can react.
Wingtip forward.
Okay,
Oh, hang on. Not yet.
Don't pin it yet.
No, pin it.
All right, hang on. I'm gonna go from the inside. Well, shit. All right, we're through.
Okay, now wingtip forward slowly. It's not going in. Hang on.
You ready? Watch yourself, John. Okay.
You're clear on top. I don't know why it's not going in, but
I'll tell you what. Tony, lift it up a little bit. Screwdriver. He's got a screwdriver.
I got one.
Tony, have one, John. Down, Tony.
I need another one though.
One more.
Why?
Okay. Now,
Give another
Does
screwdriver.
anybody have a screwdriver?
Okay.
I need one for this front spar.
now we can react against the
That's
left.
fine. Never mind.
I'll get one.
All right, that has plenty of room.
We need to chalk the tires.
That would be.
Okay, react me.
We're coming. We're going. Hang on.
Looks good from the bottom.
Keep going.
Clear here, gas gauge clear.
We almost got it. A little
Almost a little bit more. I think we have
There we
lift
go.
off.
Stop.
Let's see. Screw. Is that a? Oh, that's
No,
a file.
file.
I need.
She's running to get one right now. Y'all hold. Stand by.
So you got two screwdrivers first.
Here.
Oh, there we go. We got it. Well, okay.
I'll get your bolt for that.
Need a bolt for your screwdriver.
That's gonna be one of those deals. We probably have to pull this one out and get this one landed, then put this one back because that one's harder.
Right. After we
So
get
after we get a screwdriver up front.
Yeah.
After we get it up front.
it is in?
Yeah.
It's in? All right. So screwdriver out there.
Bolt.
Oh, no. Yeah, it's kind of hard to
Yeah, no, you got
stick us. Yeah, there's no hole on the other side.
But it's positioned right, so you can put that one back in.
All right, hang on.
Need a bolt or something for the front or the rear.
All right, screwdriver's in.
Alright. It's not going anywhere.
Okay, so yeah, fine. Back out here. Airplane.
You want to go fly it like this? You have your duck push?
No primary flight controls?
All those wires? No.
Put this in the rear spar, and then it can let go.
The what?
Lift up a little bit. You're in.
You have the
Okay,
bolt?
it's not going anywhere.
You already got
Drink it.
No,
Drink it.
I don't need it.
Drink it.
Oh, no.
Drink it.
I'm practicing.
For what?
Interception.
There you go.
This little Holocaust will be drinking water.
I know I'm sweating.
Okay, so get your hardware figured out and start working on one at a time. That's the hard part, kids.
Now we just tinker. So now we're out here in the sunlight, folks. Just look at this engine. I mean, this engine is so clean you could eat off of this thing. Look at that, so shiny. Nice clean oil filter, magnetos, Skytech starter,
Okay.
plain power alternator.
On your
I mean, just all the cylinders, even the valve covers. Ooh, look at that. Oh, Got the little Makuli prop on here. We got it in up a little prop condom and everything for safe aviation. Mufflers are all nice and clean and shiny. So basically what I'm trying to say is we need to fix that. That is unacceptable. We need to go, as Kaitlin would say, fly the hell out of this damn thing. And as Kevin Lacey would put it, fly it like you stole it. I'm all about it. You know, I fold myself up like a billfold to get in here. It kind of sucks when you're a giraffe, but whatever. It's all good.
Forward, way forward. More. Okay, that looks closer. Still more.
Up, right there, right there. Hold that, hold that. That looks great, at least from this angle.
I know.
Get your short bolt in, smack it in.
Too short, my friend. I'm trying.
Oh, it flew back.
Yeah, it's out.
Yeah, wheel chalk over here bad.
Is it kind of in? Can't
Yeah.
go any more forward? Maybe make the front go. Can you go any more in or no? Nope. And whoa, we're out now. Hold up.
That's bad juju.
Now we're all the way out.
Alright.
All good.
Jay, I'm gonna put you in there, Jay.
And me in there?
Good. Come here.
Okay.
Are you cool with that?
I'm cool with that, totally.
Okay. I'm gonna put Jay in there. What I want Jay to do. This is the run sheet. I'm gonna have you run.
Okay.
Here.
And I don't have a printed copy, unfortunately, but I'm going to give you the TCM run sheet.
All right. Let's hear it.
Boom, boom.
Help me memorize this, my friend.
No, you're not going to memorize it.
No, but we
Okay, first one, we're gonna just crank it and try to pre-oil a little bit. So get in there and just do a dry crank. I've got the plugs out.
Okay.
Okay, once the plugs, and then we're just going to crank it for about 30 seconds or 15 seconds.
Until you see oil pressure on the gauge.
Hopefully you see a little needle moving.
Okay.
Okay, then we're going to stop. I'm going to put the plugs in and the wires. And then your first test run. This is your first test run. Oil pressure within 30 seconds.
Okay.
750 RPM for 1 minute. 825 for a minute. 900 for a minute. 1000 for a minute. Back down to idle. Do a magneto ground test. And then just shut it down and cool.
Okay.
Okay, and what I would like you to do, if you could, is...
Just text that to me.
Yeah, let me set.
That'd be great.
Is he gonna film it from outside?
No, hold on. Yeah, of course. Oh,
gonna-
outside and
I can
inside.
sit, because I can sit and read it to her.
Because I've got,
Text it to me.
He's gonna be in the right seat.
Oh, okay.
yeah, so I'll have this camera going inside. This one just set up doing a
Yep.
static view from a little bit of a distance.
Two.
So,
I'm emailing it.
I say, Bill, you know, you could always give us progressive taxi. Just sit there with your watch
Emailing?
and call out.
Or you could use my AirPod and he can talk in your ear.
Yeah.
Oh God. help me.
No, I'm not.
Just yeah, set the radio to
So
fingers.
I'll be the fire guard, and we'll have another fire guard.
That's
If you
great.
see a fire, if you see us waving,
Fuel
shut it
off
down,
and get
fuel
the hell out
off,
of it.
fuel off, shut it down, ignition off, master off, bail out the back.
Exactly.
Okay? Both of you guys,
Then
go
we'll
out the
start
back.
drinking beer.
Okay?
Oh, yeah, no, I want to run directly into the prop. I think that'd be,
Well, there's folks that do that.
well, not this folk.
Okay, so clear away, clear
All right.
back. We're gonna do a.
No
We're just gonna
dogs, no
do a.
people.
All right, so folks, this is a big moment.
Okay, so master on.
Just looking for oil.
November,
Just looking for
Charlie,
oil pressure. Give it about
72338, 72338.
Clear. Okay.
You have oil pressure?
No indication.
No indication?
Don't worry about it. You got 30 seconds on the
Are we
run,
supposed to have plugs
okay?
in yet?
No.
Sure.
Plugs in.
All right.
If you don't have 30, if you don't get oil pressure in 30 seconds, shut it down.
All right. 30 seconds.
So
Should we time it?
she'll have her watch going. Jay's gonna call out the.
On the right tank, okay.
You can see
All
too
right.
the idle keeps creeping up as it warms up. All right. That's about 900 from this side. Oh, this goes, man.
switch is lean ignition master.
We have successfully completed the run-up of Kaitlin's airplane. Ladies and gentlemen, this is an epic moment. This airplane is going to Osh. It is going to Osh. And the crowd is on its feet, ladies and gentlemen. It's a beautiful day here at Augusta. Cinderella lady coming out of nowhere. Flying planes for Envoy. Is she? Her plane now runs. Looking here, just a quick view. We're looking for any oil leaks. The push rod tubes are great. It's got that hot engine smell. Big hugs coming from Janet. Greatness. I don't see anything leaking. Everything looks great. Everything is nice and tight. All right.
Low power, right engine, master, alt field, beacon on, because I made a checklist mechanically. Mixture and probably doesn't need primer.
Probably not.
Clear prop.
It's alive.
You ready?
All right.
Low pressure. Indicates good. Clear right. Look for traffic if you can see.
Nope, looks like we're clear.
Alright.
This has been the first successful taxi since the overhaul. Woohoo! Ladies and gentlemen, we're overhauling. Shutdown checklist complete. Lights off, beacon off, alternator off, master off, ignition on off, and we're good.
He's out for safety.
Woohoo! Son of a
It ain't much,
bitch.
but I can still taxi the tail wheel.
Ugh.
Are you the one who's been popping stuff off out here? I occasionally hear some real fun. I never got an invite. Just saying. Good. Where's what you dropped over now?
Well, this is where it's going to be, folks. Down to 17% battery. You know today has been good for footage. Good footage.
Oh, it's got that new engine smell.
Oh, doesn't it though?
Dust on the runway.
Big old pile of wolf crap.
There was so much.
No leaks.
This thing is dry as a popcorn fart. This is nice.
That's dry, man. I mean, I'm not smelling anything but the enamel baking off.
Yeah. That is a good looking engine. Who overhauled that?
By your toolbox.
Well, folks, it's already late this afternoon. I'm going to do a wrap up on this one. It's 6:37. I'm still out here at Heritage Park. We got kind of the crew behind me here. Kaitlin, her airplane. Her airplane is in the hangar, where we'll finish up. And fearless mentor Bill Goebel back here.
Hang loose. Don't fly.
So, you know, as we say, What's the HangaRat's motto?
Go fly yourself.
Go fly yourself. Or if you're Kevin Lacey, fly it like you stole it.
And if
Or
you're Jay Urish, Wolf pilot, fly anytime and use your plane and wear it out and have a great time.
and don't forget to clear prop loudly. We'll see you on the next one.